The Burns First Aid Kit range from St. John Ambulance is designed for emergency care on superficial, partial, or full-thickness burns and scalds. Co-branded with Burnshield, the kit contains Burnshield products that are adult and child-friendly and provides physical protection against contamination, minimize trauma, cools burns, and are non-toxic, non-irritant, and antibacterial. The largest is the Alpha Burn Kit, a fully stocked burn kit which comes in a durable box that can be hanged on the wall, for use in the workplace or at home where there is a lot of heat and steam. In a much handier design is the Essential Burn Kit, a medium-sized kit in a strong yet soft carry pouch with clear mesh pockets for easy identification and fast access to products, suitable for high-risk areas. A smaller version of this pouch is the Standard Burn Kit for basic burn injuries for home, travel, and small workplaces. An amazing choice because it has a size you can fit in your bag.